Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Whoreson Junior's stash. First, you'll need to find his hideout, which is typically located in the northern part of the city. Once you've pinpointed the location, approach the building and enter through the main door. Be prepared for potential resistance as you make your way inside. Carefully navigate the initial rooms, staying alert for any threats or traps. After clearing the initial area, your next step is to locate the secret passage leading to the stash. Look for a hidden switch or a suspicious object on the walls or furniture. Sometimes, interacting with a specific painting or book can reveal the way. Once you find it, activate the mechanism, and a secret door will open. Head through this passage to continue your quest. You're almost there. As you enter the secret area, be ready to face any remaining guards who might be protecting the stash. Once they are dealt with, carefully search the room for the main container. This is usually a large chest or a secure box. Open it up and collect all the valuable items inside. Make sure you don't miss anything important before moving on. Before you leave, double-check that you've collected every single item from Whoreson Junior's stash. Some items might be hidden in smaller containers or on shelves. Once you've secured everything, you can decide which items to keep and which to sell for extra coin. Remember, every bit of gold counts. Also, for more great tips and deals, including a link to the Oala water bottle, check out the description below. Staying hydrated is key, even on your adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.